Hey everyone, it's Serene, and today I'm taking you with me to a little adventure. We're going through the most beautiful natural spots in Athens. Fresh air, sunshine, and a little movement. So what could be best? Let's get ready. So every bike ride starts with what? Picking the outfit. So today I chose that because it's super comfortable and we don't want anything to get in the way. So let's go. Okay, just a quick break because we have to stay hydrated. And these little stops, they're just perfect for soaking all in. This is my favorite part, just riding, no rush, just the sound of the wind and the tires on the path. Feels good, right? Look at this. I didn't expect we would find something like this. I mean, I love little surprises like this along the way. So that's why I love cycling, because you can see things like that. I never expected to see this, but isn't that amazing? Okay, that's it for today. I love every minute of it. So if you're thinking to do something like that, I definitely recommend it. So see you next time. Take care.